So this is the another test setup arrangement on which you can clearly observe 100 kV AC supply is there. 100 kV AC supply is there. Forget about the DC because that is for final year practicals. So here we are observing the 100 kV AC supply. Here it is the input voltage which is from 0 to 300 volt. Output voltage which is varying from 0 to 100 kV, and this is the DC from 0 to 140, but we are dealing with the AC supply only. Here again you can observe the timer switch which are used to carry out the breakdown test as well as withstand test. So we are going to perform a breakdown test, so we are bypassing this switch. And now some switching arrangement. The same switching arrangement is present. So for protection purpose we are having one key switch in which we need to place one physical key so that we can turn on this test setup, because it is a 100 kV test setup, so we should be more precious. Again here it is a doer indication, means the sensor which is placed to the dome, the same sensor is placed to this Faraday cage. So here you can observe the Faraday cage arrangement in which some transformers are placed, and at this doer side, from internal side, here one sensor is placed and which will detect the whether door is properly closed or not. After that we are having same arrangement. You can observe that mains off, mains on. Then you can see here memory switch. Only there is a change in some switching pattern, but switches are same. Then you can observe the unit readies LED. Then you can observe the HT off LED. Okay, so HT off, this is switch, this is LED. HT on, this is a switch, this is LED. HT decrease means here like auto transformer we are varying the knob by manual arrangement, but on this test setup we are having automatic arrangement, means by pressing this switch we can decrease the HT, or by pressing this switch we can increase the HT. Here you can see the sample pass or fail LED trip button, and here emergency switch, and this is the current selector switch in order to change the current. We will observe the internal structure of the transformers or inside the Faraday cage. So here you can observe the output of this control panel is given inside the Faraday cage, and here you can observe the wire is moving towards the transformer setup. Okay, so this is one transformer in which you can observe the different connections, electrodes. This is the HT side of first transformer, and you can observe its nameplate. Okay, so here you can clearly observe its rating also. A rating or input voltage is 200 volt input, 100 kV AC supply, 2.5 kVA rating, and oil cooling medium is used for the cooling purpose. Okay, so the output of this transformer is given to this. Okay, and combinedly it will form 50 kV plus 50 kV, 100 kV setup arrangement is there. So here again you can observe 2.5 kVA transformer, means initial transformer is of 2.5 kVA and this one is of 2.5 kVA, means total it is having 5 kVA setup arrangement whose output voltage is 50 kV. So first transformer 50 and second 50, so combinedly it will form 100 kV output arrangement. Okay, and current is mentioned here 50 milliampere. Now here you can observe the output of HT is connected through the wire to one electrode. Okay, so here it is one electrode is present. So here one electrode, we can lift this. So here it is one electrode, and here it is another electrode, that is lower electrode, which is connected to the ground. Okay, so this wire you can trace it, which is connected to the ground. Now we will place the sample here. So I will place this up towards this. Okay, so now upper electrode and lower electrode. So this is the upper and lower, and in between that I have placed the piece of paper. So here I am having key setup by which we can turn on the supply. Okay, now first of all I need to give the input supply to this kit. Okay, so here I am connecting the input supply from here, ELCB and MCB. So I will turn on the supply, and again I will on the arrangement. So this wire, external wire, you can observe this is the internal cable which is connected to this test setup. Mains off. Now what I will do, I will turn on the mains here. So as soon as I have turned on the mains, it is showing HT is decreasing. So in previous setup we need to apply manually, but here automatic arrangement is there. It will sense and it will reduce the HT at 0 level, and then it is showing unit is ready. Okay, now unit is ready, HT is off. Now I need to turn on the HT. So here it is now showing HT is on. Now what I will do, I will increase the HT. Okay, so here knob is not there, but here one switch is present by which we can increase the HT, and I need to press and hold this. So here you can observe there is increase in voltage, and you can observe that some solid insulating material, and now we are entering in the Faraday cage, which is designed with the help of aluminum material and which is properly grounded. Now after conduction of breakdown test, you should discharge the setup. Okay, so this stick is known as a discharge stick, and here you can observe one wire is connected to this aluminum material, and this wire is properly connected to the ground. Okay, so here you can observe this wire is connected to the ground, and we need to discharge this stick. Now why? Because we know that in case of air medium there is presence of ionization, and secondary ionization is responsible for the partial discharge phenomenon, right? So in order to remove the partial discharge phenomenon as well as presence of electrons over the surface of HT electrodes, so in this way I am discharging the HT sides. Okay, now supply is off. Okay, supply is off, but we are discharging this test setup. Now we can discharge the electrode. So now we are safe. We can touch that instrument or HT instrument, and now here I am collecting the sample. Okay, now in this case you can clearly observe the breakdown takes place from the inner side of the paper. Here you can observe the black spot. Okay, so in this way we can measure the breakdown voltage at high voltage level, and last breakdown voltage reading for this is of 35 kV. Okay, so in this way we can measure the breakdown voltage for solid insulating material. Thank you.